gets heavy,
you don't have to carry it alone.
I'm right beside you. Some days I walk in with tired eyes, carrying dreams that feel too high. You don't ask me to have all the answers, you simply pull up another chair.
You hear the silence I can't explain. You stand with me through joy and pain. That's how I know this love is true. Every road keeps leading back to you.
Some nights I wonder if I'm enough, when life keeps testing both of us.
Then you remind me with just one smile
that hope has never gone out of style.
You don't promise perfect days, you just promise that you'll stay. That's more than words could ever be.
You're always right beside me when the rain keeps falling, when the skies turn gray. We don't run from tomorrow,
We walk to today.
right beside me, step by step, through every promise, through every test.
When I lose my way,
You help me see, no matter where life takes us, you're right beside me,
hand in hand,
heart to heart.
heart to heart.
Ah,
That's where forever starts.
hey. Life will change, the years will fly. We'll watch our children reach the sky. We'll laugh about the days gone by and thank the Lord for every mile.
We'll grow older, that's alright. Love grows stronger over time. Every wrinkle tells a story. Every season holds its glory.
Not because we never fought,
But because we rise together,
love isn't measured by perfect moments,
it's measured by faithful hearts.
right beside me,
Every day,
through every season.
come what may,
If tomorrow brings sunshine,